Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to promote a specific item on Temu and make money when someone buys through your link. So let's get started. So first, open the Temu app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on categories, then go to the search bar and type in affiliate. Once you type that, this will take you to the Temu's affiliate page. Scroll down and you can see there's a hot items section on the bottom right corner, so tap on that and now you'll see a list of products you can promote. Pick any item you want to share. For example, I'm going to pick this. Just tap share item and you will need to copy the link. Once your affiliate link is copied, head over to any social media app like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, wherever, paste your link and you're good to go. If someone clicks your link and buys the item, you earn a commission. And that's the real money straight to your PayPal once you reach the payout threshold. And that's it. That's how you promote a specific item on Temu and start making money. Thanks for watching.